What's up, team? Welcome to the video. We are 26 hours out from the weigh-in, the ultimate sweat. Show the man. Yeah. We got these dope shirts, or I guess you saw them yesterday. Right now, we're just all about to eat. It is about 3 p.m. on the 24th, and between 4 and 5 p.m., we're going to do a mock weigh-in. So there's a setting on the scale that locks the weight in, so it won't be varied like you saw in the last video. And we are going to do a mock weigh-in here at 5 o'clock and get them right on the dot, see what factors come up in doing that. Yeah.
And then when it picks up 3 readings that it views as accurate enough based on vibrations and sound levels and movement, when it ensures that it's within the safe range, it picks up 3, takes the average of the 3, and then locks again.
Off again, so that was 0.1 up.
That's 0.1 up.
I wonder if where you step on the platform matters at all.
Right.
Okay, 4:20 right now, headed down for the mock weigh-in. We're gonna get these guys at the same weight by 5 o'clock using water. They'll test for tomorrow, as I described earlier. Let's go.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for being here. So, this is the end of the Ultimate Sweat, but the scale we bought is a $700 scale. It's extremely precise. It picks up on sound fluctuations, it picks up on movement in air, vibrations in the ground. So what we need you guys to do is to be extremely silent and not move during the weigh-in. Matt's gonna step on first. We're gonna get a reading from the scale. Jeff will announce that to you guys. No celebration, no nothing. Jamie will step on the scale, we'll get a reading, and after that, it's game over and everything's fair game. But we need you guys to participate here and be very chill throughout the whole process.
I love it. Should I have brought the boxers down?
Well, I mean, this is pretty good.
Cool. Yeah.
We're gonna do like a mock win, test, fluctuate water as needed, and see if we can win this thing a day early. Okay, so Matt's first.
We also got 20 minutes. This is just the lead up.
Yeah, this is lead up. You're right. All right, so setting. That's locked at 190.0. 190. It's very quiet. It's gonna be quiet on the day too. It's gonna be intense.
$191.1. Great.
Locked in. 191.1.
Matt?
Fresh water?
Yeah. Just make sure when you open it that it hasn't been opened, because I had nuts earlier. Yeah.
Seems fresh. What was it? What were we off? A pound?
1.1 pounds.
1.1.
So I want you to drink half of that, which is going to be 0.5 pounds. Let's test it. You put about half of it down. Let's see if you're 190.5 now. Or I'm guessing 190.6.
It's not locked yet. Not locked. 190.4.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's a dub. That's a win.
But it's not 5 o'clock yet.
Yeah, we're
Yeah,
getting
this
to
is
the
good.
exact. This
Okay.
is practice.
Okay.
Yep.
It's just we should win.
Yeah.
Almost always.
I'm 99.6% right now.
Well,
like-
I mean, close to that, man.
You're lower?
If I was genuinely 99.9% sure we would win, I'd be so happy. I'd be so excited.
I mean, where's the failure points? Like, our scale has never given us a reading 0.2 off. Like, that's the max failure rate we've ever seen.
What's your
Doesn't matter.
Do you feel like you need to shit, or like how do you feel? Okay.
No,
have
I
you
feel
have
fine.
you shit yet today?
Yes.
Once.
I took
Once.
two little ones when I went up to I mean, they're all little. Obviously, I'm living off a couple strips of bacon and half a chicken breast a day, but
We're 17 minutes out. Hopefully, we're not a pound off. 191 points. 191.
That's the same.
Locked. No.
0.1 lower.
Okay. All right. So Matt's 191.2 locked.
You guys are 0.2 off.
Yeah, 0.2 off right now.
I was okay. So hit me with a bit of water.
I don't like that strat. I think we just stop right now because you're 0.2 off. If you're both drinking water every single time someone goes a little higher,
Right.
someone's gonna have to piss. We don't want to have to time that with the weigh-in.
Right.
Like if you become 0.5, even like 0.4, 0.5 apart, I'm on board.
Yeah. Okay. So 10 minutes before we're doing that. But
Yes.
but 6 minutes before we're getting it.
You just added 1.2 pounds by having half a liter of water, which absolutely makes sense. That's what I expected.
Okay. So if I need to add a pound, we need to drink one of those.
1.15 pounds. Yeah, 1.1 pounds.
Okay. It's pretty easy to dial. That's very drinkable.
Yeah.
Let's go. I mean, we're 15 minutes out. I'm setting this like on the minute. Like,
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
.191 locked.
Same.
Yep.
Same.
That's our first
Maddie, get
same.
on.
That's
Why
our
did you
first
go up
same
two,
win.
though? Just there.
I don't know.
It's very strange.
Matt, hop on. .191 locked. Guys,
Yeah,
we're,
I mean,
we're dialed to the 10th right now.
It's not gonna matter. But think about it. Like, we're 0.3 off right now. The scale would have to, in a minute, fluctuate you to 0.8 and me to 0.8 up. Like 0.5 off on both of us. The opposite ways. Like that's like
It's a nerve-wracking way in either way.
I'm going up. I'm 0.8 right now. 99.8.
I have a thought that is we're 10 minutes out, so maybe it's better for tonight, but I think weigh-ins should be low frequency in like really low frequency in the 11 to 3 range, because like we can make up 2.5 pounds in 5 minutes.
Yeah.
I don't think we should be stressing about weight at 210.
Sure. Like every 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
191.0.
Losing weight, bro?
We're 6 minutes out. I'd have another eighth.
That was good.
0.0. All right, the official weigh-in. Matt, you're first.
All right, everyone, quiet in the room, and please don't move. This is the official weigh-in. No clapping till after. Thank you.
$191.1.
Jeff says, Matt weighs in at 191.1. Quiet, please.
$191.0. 150K.
Congratulations.
Woo!
That's all it takes, baby.
Champagne.
You feel good? Good mock,
That was
boys.
good.
Good mock.
Yeah.
I like the way Mike said that final number. That was good.
Okay, so what could be different about tomorrow compared to today that we're not thinking about right now?
We're 2.5 pounds off instead of 1.
Yep. Yep.
That problem would be sorted more around like a 1 o'clock food, though.
That problem will be sorted earlier in the day with food, not water. Correct. Yep.
I think we should test like scale being uneven somewhere, just to see what sort of readings we get. 3 in a row.
Let's even like
On the
you,
side.
like you guys are nervous, like something weird happens and like I don't know, like it goes like this.
Yeah.
All right, as you guys saw, that went really well. I'm really pumped with it. One of like the pillars to the strategy is high frequency weigh-in leading up to 5 o'clock, using water to get them right where they need to be. And as of right now, and based on this mock weigh-in, we feel really good about where we're at. That's the update. For the next couple hours, we're just going to test a bunch of different scenarios. So if someone trips and knocks the scale into a different position, What are some of the other ones?
Shaky legs.
Yeah, if like nerves are going, will it lock in? Will the weight be the same if legs are shaking?
Yeah, breathe in, breathe out. I don't know if that has a difference or not. Step on fast, like a hard kind of stop, as opposed to like a smooth transition in. The scale being uneven in terms of one end not being touching the ground, does that throw us off? But, you know, even knowing how much of a failure these things will be, like, okay, we can expect the scale to be off by 0.6 pounds if this happens. Knowing how big those errors are is how we can game plan for the day of, I think.
Yep. Excited. I love your transitions, bro. This is the first time, like, at 5 o'clock when I felt really good about this. Update, we got an hour and a half till dinner. Ben and I both have a ton of dirty clothes because we're still training every single day. So we're gonna go do laundry and then meet up with the boys for dinner. What's up, guys? Just folding laundry. Ben and I are about to go crash soon. We're probably gonna get room service and just go to sleep because the boys are eating dinner right now. It'd be another 20 minutes at least before we could get there. But I got something on my mind. I'm thinking about a common comment that I've been getting, which is, it comes from a really good place, and I understand where the compassion of the people saying it are, which is, win or lose, you guys already won. Like, you made it this far, especially Jamie, particularly Jamie. Like, you really did it. This is a win. Whatever happens on Sunday, you won. Great job. And I hate that comment. Like, if we don't win on Sunday, we didn't win. Like, you need to finish to win. You can't go up to the finish line and not cross it. And that's not just this. That's not just like some silly weight loss bet. That's life. Like winning is important and competition's important and executing and finishing. And the reason I get heated about this is because I have a piece of me that is like that, and I hate that piece of me that's like, oh, it was pretty good, or like pulls the silver lining out, and I want to crush that piece because winning and finishing and executing is massively important for the quality of one's life. And the quality of one's life, not to like soapbox and get philosophical, even though that's probably how this comes off, but the quality of one's life becomes the quality of a civilization, and it becomes the amount of suffering in a civilization. And this is very JP, which is just ingrained at this point, but like, finishing what you say you're gonna do and what you started is important. And again, I'm heated about it because it's something I don't always execute on myself, and I don't like that about myself. And so, yeah, tomorrow, weigh-in day. I'm pumped. We'll show you the room service. I'm trying to get some micros in me. See you in the next clip. Yesterday's video was not clickbait. we had a real problem. We were terrified about the scale. Ben didn't you take a frame from the video of Matt and Jamie looking at me trying to figure out the scale, and they were like genuinely very concerned? I'm fine with clickbait, but it just wasn't, yeah. Adidas. I'm like the footballer Liam Gallagher.
That's good as
No, that wasn't a good walk.
Yeah, that's it.
Hey lad, mate, kick me the ball, mate. Ben lent me this and he told me I had to zip it all the way up, and he said you gotta walk with swagger like Liam Gallagher, and I assumed he was similar to who's that really attractive Soccer player? They're like me.
English.
Not American. He's like the poster boy.
David Beckham.
Nah, the other guy. Ronaldo.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yeah, that dude. All right, let's order some room service. Salmon, arugula, avocado, and it looks like we have some red pepper and mango, so some micros. I'm gonna have a banana with this as well, and then get 8-9 hours of sleep, get up, and get it tomorrow. We'll wrap the video here because nothing else is gonna happen. Yeah, I'm just very excited. Very excited to get the W tomorrow. So thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. See you tomorrow.